toilet this morning at the Baker River Community Center for the victims of the tragic event last Friday, which is now being referred to as the Nace Family Massacre.
Although a thorough investigation is underway, police say they have made no arrests at this time. Motivation for the murders has been subject of many conversations this week, in whether or not they are linked to the murder of a family member, Alex Nace.
Which occurred exactly a year ago from the crimes on Friday evening. The shooting 1 year prior is still unsolved, leaving many to wonder if the shooter just came back to finish the job.
Need anything else? Ma'am?
No.